Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see, so it just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.